Hello and welcome back to A Dose of Graciousness and Civility. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated on all of our latest content. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, welcome back. We love having you in our community. And with that, let's get started. Are you making these dinner table mistakes without even knowing it? Well, let's find out. Hello, lovely viewers. It's Jules Hirst, your go-to etiquette coach. And today I'm going to reveal 3 common dinner table mistakes that might be slipping under your radar. And trust me, you'll be surprised. Number 1, our ever-present companion, our smartphone. Yes, it's tempting to check that notification, but remember, the dining table is a place for face-to-face interactions. So let's keep our screens away and our conversations flowing. Number 2, now let's discuss utensils. Are you using your fork and knife correctly, or are you holding them like gardening tools? Remember, it's not just about what you use, but how you use it. A simple rule: when you sit down and you're not sure what fork or what knife to use, you start from the furthest utensil out and work your way in towards the plate. And number 3, last but definitely not least, talking with a full mouth. We all have exciting stories to share, but let's chew, swallow, then speak. It's not just polite, it's also much cleaner. So were you guilty of any of these? No judgment. Remember, etiquette is a learning journey, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, it's all about respect and enjoyment at the table. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more etiquette tips. Comment below with the dinner table mistake you're going to work on first. If you would like to download our guide, 10 Things to Remember at the Dinner Table, the link is in the description below. Until our next etiquette adventure, stay gracious and grateful. Thank you so much for watching and keep thriving in your journey. Until the next one, ciao for now.